Move faster, stick to the grid. We push until we find him. There, 3 o'clock, I see it.
You're right, that's the target.
Confirming visual on the wreckage at grid reference uniformity 9er X-ray. Appears to be a small craft, requesting immediate ground support deployment.
Quiet. Listen.
What is that?
Look at the size of it! Keep quiet, you'll wake it up.
The aircraft is found, sir, but it's under the control of a deadly monster, King Kong.
We mobilize immediately. All units to Gamma 7.
Sir, they broke the line. We need immediate support at the perimeter.
This is Echo 6. The situation is critical. I need reinforcements now.
We found the aircraft, but a massive King Kong has taken control of the crash site and killed our men.
We have confirmation. Deploy all available troops and launch the helicopters immediately. This is a full rescue mission.
Get down! Take cover on the left! Suppressing fire, moving up right.
Pull, men, pull! He's almost against the tree.
Secure those chains now. We got him. Hold it steady.
Pull harder, men. Get that chain secured.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the stabilizers.
Clear on the left. Set her down.